Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will show you how to open a business bank account in Congo. So let's get started. So first of all you will directly go to your google.com. So at here you will directly search for here at top business bank list in Congo. Okay, so here we can see, so the first bank is your Central Bank of Congo, then we have the Access Bank, then we have the Ireland First Bank, okay, and other bank as followed. So in this video I am going to show you how to open a business bank account in a Central Bank of Congo. So here I will directly search for here at here your Access Bank. Okay, sorry, I am going to show you in Access Bank by mistake. So here we can see, so here we have to go to our Access Bank. Okay, so here we can see the banking detail also. So to open a business bank account, you like go to the business, then you have the business account, then in the business account, then corporate, your here are the things. So I will just go with these account, corporate. Okay, so here we can see, so the opening balance will be 60,000 N, then there is a no minimum balance required. The maintenance amount will be the fee as 1 L mil. Then you can see the other things also. So to opening requirements will be these details you can see. Okay, then read. So the first detail is your evidence, address evidence. Then you have two references, two passport photographs. Then we have the valid ID proof with signatures, your residence permit, then forms of CO7 and CO2. Then we have certificate of incorporation and business registration. Then we have memorandum and article of association. Then we have board resolution and other things. So via this you can open it. So you have to open and like go to the nearest branch and you can able to open. So this is how to open a business bank account in your Congo. So if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.